Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you are good. So, you are preparing for a UO exam. So, now we will see the chapter 8. Okay, chapter 8 articles and prepositions. Yes, already know about the articles and preposition. Just we recall. Okay, you recall about this. You got to learn the new things. Okay, first, section A, fill in the blanks with the most suitable articles. Okay, before we are going there, we have to see, so what is articles? Okay, what is articles? So articles, article is a word that combines with a noun and defines whether a noun in any sentence or phrase. Okay, so, article is a word, is a combines with noun, combines with noun. Okay. So, we have, you know, the two types of articles, definite articles, indefinite articles. So, what is definite articles? Definite article is the. Okay, indefinite articles an. Okay. So, what are the rules for articles? The rules for articles. Okay, so given below the types of articles, you know that definite and indefinite. Next we are going to see the rules of the definite articles. Rules of the definite articles. Okay, so what is the definite articles? The. So the, where under the will come. So the very basic rule of article says that the article the is used before singular or plural. We used singular or plural. Okay, any singular or plural, the will be used. It indicates a particular. Okay, singular or plural noun is specific. Okay, it indicates a particular thing or person in case of common noun. Okay, next second rule is article they is used when the listener knows what the speaker is talking about. Okay, they is used when the listener knows. Listener knows when what the speaker is talking about. Third is use these used to generalize the whole class or group. Whole class or group. Okay, next these used for geof- geographical points on the globe. Okay, geographical points on the globe. Okay, next these used for the nouns that cannot be counted. These used for noun that cannot be counted. The water. Okay, so the water of the Pacific Ocean is freezing. So that is the example for that. Okay, next these used for the monetarily used for things that are only one of a kind in the universe. Okay, the sun, the moon, the planet, you know that this and all. Okay, the does not mean all. The does not mean all. Okay, next indefinite articles a and a. The article a is used before a consonant, before a consonant word or any vowel with a consonant sound. Okay, the article a is used before a consonant word or any vowel with a consonant sound. Okay, next. Similarly, so article an is used before the word beginning with the vowel sound. Vowel, not vowels, vowel sound. Some of the letter, consonants letter also have the vowel sound. Before that, an will come. Okay. Next, a singular common noun always requires an article a or an. Okay, a singular common noun always requires an article a or an. But a plural common noun not require any article or can have the same the particularize that noun. Okay, so particularize when we particularize that we use the they, but plural common noun surely we are not use the article. Next, third one, a and is used to make proper nouns a common nouns. Okay, proper nouns do not take the articles and make it a common noun. Okay, a and an is used. Next, indefinite article a and is used to refer the to numbers sometimes. To refer a numbers sometimes. A doll, a thousand, like that. Okay. In an hour. Next, indefinite articles used with the determinants. Okay, what are determinants? Few, lot, most. The determinants before articles will come. Okay, so next, where we are not use the articles. Where we are not use the article. Already I said when plural noun is talked about. Okay, the girls in that time we are not used. Girls like pink. Girls, all the girls. Okay, like pink. Okay, the sentence is talking about the girls in general, so we are not use the article. But the girls in my hostel like to play kabaddi, that is they mention talking about the girls, especially hostel girls, so here we used the. Okay, that the plural noun when particularly saying that time we use the, otherwise usually uh, plural noun we are not use the articles. When uncountable nouns are talked about, water scarcity is a problem, so it is uncountable. Okay, so we are not used with the. But the water scarcity in my locality is a problem. So in the locality in water scarcity means we used the. Okay, so that only we are not used for the A and D. Now we will go for our exercise. First one, fill in the blanks with the most suitable articles. Okay, dash ignorance is a bliss and dash ignorance of Miranda was really astounding. Okay, here ignorance, I, so we have to say the and no. Here I, not I sound. Ignorance, K sound. Okay, so it here will not come and here what will come? Any articles will come? Is a bliss. No, here will come no article because it is the plural noun. Okay, common noun. So that is ignorance. We are uncountable. So sometimes we say that. Okay, so here article will not come. But here ignorance of Miranda, here they particularly they mention, so they will come. So our answer is no article the. Okay, second one. Few students attended dash conference today after dash. So what will come? Few students. Few students is a what noun? Few. Few means it is. Yes, they represent that. Already I told. Yes, what I told that determiners before the determinants we use the a. So few is one of the determinants. Determinants before we use a few students attended the conference. Particularly they saying that, so that conference after the classes. So answer will come that option A. Next, third one. Football is a dash that requires lot of stamina. Okay, football is an game or a game or the game. So you know that a game. Okay, football is a game because they mentioned the one singular, one game. Football only they mention, so it will come a. Okay, the football is a game that requires lot of stamina. Okay, requires a lot of determinants will come means it will come A. Next, water is necessary for dash life, but dash life of this insect does not depend on water. Okay, water is necessary for life. Life is surely be used for the what noun it is. Yes, that is we have to use the common noun. Okay. Okay, we have to generalize, we have to say the group. Okay, life, that is, so we have to use the. Okay, water is necessary for the life, but the life of these insects does not depend on water. Next, newspaper provide us with dash valuable information. So article will come or not? No article as with valuable information or an valuable, a valuable, the valuable. So what will come? So valuable. So valuable represent this. Okay. So it will come. Sure. What will come? A or an? Yes. It will come there. The. Okay. Newspapers provide us with the valuable information. Come because they have particularly they told about the information. Das educated man is not happy. Educated e sound means surely will come an. Not happy without books. Books is what noun? Yes, it is the plural noun. So what will come? So article will come or not? Yes, no article. So an and no article. Plural noun. Before the plural noun, article will not come. Okay. Next, question number 7. Question number 7. Tom belongs to. Tom belongs to dash United Kingdom, but his wife hails from dash. So particularly they told we know that. So that is surely what will come? The. Okay, so Tom belongs to the United Kingdom, but his wife hails from what will come? Yes, the India. So our correct option is B. Okay, from sorry, C only will come. B will not come. Okay. So Tom belongs to the United Kingdom, but his wife hails from India. From India. So after this, from prepositions, articles will not come from India. Okay. Dash higher you climb, dash holder. So the higher you climb, the colder it gets. Next, I will see you. I will see you at dash weekend. I have dash little time spare. So what will come? I will see you at the weekend. Particularly they say the weekend we will see. So surely will come the weekend. I have dash little time little. It's a numbers before what will come? Yes, A. Okay, so what will come? The A. Next, 10th one. She teaches dash French at dash university. So she teaches a French, the French. This is particularly there. So this is the common noun. So surely will not come article at the university. So what will come? No article the. No article the. Okay, next question number section B. Fill in the blanks with the most appropriate prepositions. Fill in the blanks with the most appropriate prepositions. Okay, so before that, we have to learn about what is preposition. So, what is preposition? Yes, a preposition is a connecting word that establishes a relationship between the parts of a sentence. It acts a glue that holds different components of a sentence together, helping to create context and meaning. That means there are different types of prepositions are there, and they can be used to indicate time, place, direction, and manner. Okay. Without proper prepositions, sentences can become confusing and difficult to understand. Okay. Without proper preposition, surely we are getting confusing and it's difficult to understand the sentence. Therefore, it is essential to have a solid understanding of the different types of prepositions. Okay, how they are used. Position of time. So, what is position of time? They indicates the time of event when it happen, is happening, or might happen. It can be any day, time, month, year. That come means that is called preposition of time. That time we use the preposition and, at, during, etc. Okay, preposition of time, what are the preposition? And, at, during. Next, preposition of movement. What is preposition of movement? It may be tricky to understand and apply. Tricky to understand and apply, but this preposition tell about the direction in which the event occurs. Okay, it tell the direction in which event occurs. So for examples, preposition is toward, to, by, etc. Next, preposition of manner. These prepositions depict how things happen and how something is done. Okay, manner prepositions are these prepositions depict how things happen and how something is done. So, for examples, with, by, like, etc. Okay, next, preposition of place. That is, these imply where an event occur. It makes it easier to keep the track of where things happen. So examples at, by, in, and. Okay. So we learn that remaining preposition of source, preposition of source, they indicate the origin or birth point of an event or occurrence. Okay, indicate the origin or birth point of an event. So that time we use the preposition. So preposition of source, by, from. Next, preposition of measure. Okay, this category of prepositions commands on the quantity or quality of something. Quantity or quality of something. So that prepositions are by, of, etc. Preposition of possession. These words imply the ownership of an object of article. These words imply the ownership of an object. Preposition of an agent of instrument. Last but not least, these prepositions talk about agency of something or someone talking responsibility. Okay, these are the examples with, by. These are all the types of prepositions. Okay, now we are going to see the exercise. See, fill in the blanks with the most appropriate prepositions. The streets. The streets will be crowded dash villages during the harvest festival. So the streets will be crowded. Villages. What for villages are on villages. Where we used for on. Did you remember that? Yes. On is proportion of place. Here this they say the villagers. They say the what? Yes, they say the villages peoples. So surely it will come for. The streets will be crowded for villagers during harvest festival. Now, villages with, sorry, the street will be crowded with the villagers during the harvest festival with villages. Okay. Next, second one is we live in a small town. We live in a small town which is not famous, which is not famous. Does, yes, this only for. We live in a small town which is not famous for anything. Okay. Next, 13. You can obtain the sum dash adding these digits. So here what will come? You can obtain the sum dash adding these digits. Yes, adding sum by. So we have to add something. So we have to use the by. You can obtain the sum by adding these digits. Okay. Question number 14. Send the name of the students who were responsible that mischief. That mischief. Responsible for that mischief. I am not good. I am not good. Dance repairing things. I am not good at quality. So it will come at. I am not good at repairing things. Why didn't go on a holiday? My wife wasn't every keen. Dance leaving the house. So we didn't go on a holiday. My wife wasn't very keen what on leaving the house. Very keen on leaving the house. 40% as the syllabus has been covered so far. 40% off. What will come? Off. 40% of the syllabus has been covered so far. Where can I check? Where can I check in for the flight to Hong Kong? Okay. Who will look? Who will look? Dance the talk dogs when we go on holiday. So who will look after the dogs when we go on a holiday? We all consider the injured man's escape. We all consider the injured man escape from death of miracle. From death a miracle. Do you know anyone next? Do you know anyone who lives in Netherlands? Dash Netherlands lives in the Netherlands. Particularly we say Netherlands. Dash lead is dash heaviest of dash metals. Okay. So lead is no article will come. Yeah, lead is that is common noun. Yeah, lead is okay the heaviest of or metals, heaviest of metals. Okay, option C is the correct answer. Everyone was talking. Everyone was talking as the new teacher when she entered. Everyone was talking the about the new teacher, about the new teacher when she entered. Mohan is capable. Mohan is capable of any crime. That's why police is always suspicious of him. Okay. Okay, option A. Mohan is capable of any crime. That's why police is always suspicious of him. It was rainy. It was rainy and windy. So she decided to wait it out. She decided to wait it out. Okay. So children, I hope you understood the articles and preposition. Thank you all. Have a nice day.